Hi everyone, my name is Bob and I'm a cheap old fart. I like to do DIY jobs around the house for a couple of reasons. I don't like to pay too much, and I kind of like the satisfaction of knowing that I can actually fix some of this stuff. You know, I grew up in an era where it wasn't so easy just to pick up the phone or hop on the internet and bring somebody in and have them do a particular job. In my era, my dad and some of the old timers, first thing they did is they got out their tools, or they took a look at something and they figured it out, and they gave at least an attempt to try to fix stuff before they called somebody in. So I grew up that way, and I find that I have a great advantage over some of the old timers in that I have something called YouTube that allows me to go out, research some things, try to figure out how to do it, and more often than not, I seem to have some success. Doesn't mean to say that sometimes I break stuff, doesn't work right, and then I have to call somebody. But at least I gave it a good try. Couple things. You know, when you call somebody out, you have to pay for them to come out, the visit to your house. A lot of times they do more than just fix what's wrong. They find other things that need to be done, and the job escalates to a lot more than it really should have been. And then, you know, they take the part and they increase maybe 3 or 4-fold what the part should cost. And before you know it, you're paying a lot more money than you should. So I'm here to kind of go over a few things. We'll see if we can't fix some things for you. But also note that, hey, I'm just an average homeowner. I am not a professional. Sometimes we work with water, we work with electricity, we work with some things that, you know, could be dangerous to you or to your home. So just know that you're doing this stuff at your own risk. I'm not a professional. If you want to try it, fine. If not, you know, that's fine also.